In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in ClickUp. Setting up tasks effectively can really boost your productivity, so let's dive right into the process. First things first, take a look at the left side of your ClickUp screen. This is where you'll find a list of all your current projects and tasks, neatly organized. Scan through and find the specific list where you intend to create a new task. Once you've located your desired list, the next step is to initiate the task creation process. You'll notice a plus symbol, usually prominently displayed near the list's name. Go ahead and click on that plus symbol. This will open up a menu with several options. From these, press on the Task option, which will allow you to start setting up your new task. Now that you're in the task creation interface, you'll have the opportunity to give your task a specific name. This is where you get to define what the task is all about, so make sure to choose a clear and descriptive title that will help you easily identify it later. But that's not all. ClickUp offers a wealth of customization through custom fields. Adjust these fields to your liking to ensure the task fits into your workflow seamlessly. This could include setting priorities, due dates, or any custom labels that suit your needs. If your task comprises multiple steps or requires teamwork, consider adding a subtask. Subtasks help break down large projects into manageable parts and keep all your related items organized. Additionally, ClickUp allows you to insert a checklist. This feature is perfect for tasks with multiple action items, enabling you to tick off items as you complete them. Plus, if you have any important documents or reference materials, you can upload these files directly to the task in the attachments section. This means everything you need is in one place, minimizing the need to switch between different platforms or tools. Now that you've filled out all the necessary fields and added any additional information, go ahead and close the task window. Congratulations! You've just successfully created a new task in your selected list. At this point, feel free to make further adjustments as needed. ClickUp offers flexibility, so you can tweak the details to ensure the task aligns perfectly with your objectives. And if for any reason you need to remove the task, there's an option to delete it too. And that's a wrap. You've learned how to create tasks in ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.